To fix the Frigidaire washer EF1 error code, start by understanding what it means. The EF1 error code indicates a problem with the washer's electronic control board or a faulty water temperature sensor. First, unplug the washer from the power source to reset the system. Sometimes, simply unplugging and plugging it back in can resolve the issue. If the error persists, check the water temperature sensor, which is usually located near the water inlet valve. Ensure it is clean and free of debris. A faulty sensor can cause the EF1 error code, so consider replacing it if necessary. Next, inspect the wiring and connections between the sensor and the control board. Loose or damaged wires can cause communication errors, leading to the EF1 code. Secure any loose connections and replace damaged wires. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning electronic control board. If the board is faulty, it may need to be replaced. However, before replacing the board, ensure that all other potential causes have been ruled out. To prevent future occurrences of the EF1 error code, regularly clean and maintain the washer, including the water temperature sensor and wiring. This will help extend the lifespan of the appliance and prevent unnecessary repairs. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the Frigidaire washer EF1 error code. Remember to always unplug the washer before attempting any repairs and to consult a professional if you are unsure about any part of the process.